How to make your friends list private on Facebook. First, you want to open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you want to tap on Settings. Once you're in here, scroll down and you're going to find a section called Audience and Visibility. Here you want to tap on How people can find and contact you. Here you can find the option that says who can find your friends list. Right now it is set to public, which means people can see your friends list. Now you want to tap on public and set it to only me. Once you have set the audience to only me, only you can view your friends list and your friends list will be completely private. So this is how you can make your friends list private on Facebook, and we hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.